Quiet down, Strafe. All right, so your refrigerator stopped working, guys, but your light bulb was kicking on. Right back there, there's a little plastic cover. Don't judge me. And I found the problem to be a loose connection right here on my focus. It's not focusing. On my thermostat. But you know what's really cool? I got to pull my fridge out and clean it. There was a heck of a lot of dust back behind there. Way overdue for a cleaning back there. It's gonna work a lot better now. All right, so there's your bulb, and this right here is my schematics, my electrical, and I thought this was super cool. I would have never known it was there. It was stuffed right in here. So you take this cover off with one 7mm bolt right there. Boom. And if you need your wiring diagram for your fridge at all, guys, and you don't want to do a deep dive into Google, check behind this thing, especially if you have the same brand as me. I think this is a General Electric. There we go. I got her all unfolded, and bada boom, you got your little, all the different diagrams here, information you may need. Replacement parts. Here's the big one right here, guys. Replacement parts. So you can punch those into Google and get your replacement parts. So I don't know a lot about refrigerators, but I do know mechanical stuff and electrical diagrams, and I was able to figure it out. Now, before I did this, I tested for power to everything. Without this diagram, I was just like, well, this is a power wire. It's supposed to be getting power here, 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 here. This is a ground wire. It's supposed to be getting ground here, here, here. Everything checked out good. And I was like, well, if the light bulb's on, maybe it's just the thermostat. And sure enough, it was. Fixed it. Mechanic refrigerator tip of the day. Look for these behind your cover. Very helpful.